Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you another project that I've done. It's a happy birthday 4x6 waterfall folio, and it has the Cars theme. This idea came from my sister Scrapper on YouTube. So here's the front, and we have a card here. You can just write your little notes inside for whoever you're giving this book to. And we have two large tags here. And this pocket. And then we have a waterfall here. And then we just have a little tag right here in the middle. And then this is the back. If you have any questions or any comments, just let me know. Thank you for watching.